Okay, as a part of my article about Keyboard Maestro, I thought I'd do a quick little video demo to kind of let you see how to put together a macro in Keyboard Maestro. That's kind of a tongue tie there, but anyway, um, so what you're going to do, there's three main parts to Keyboard Maestro. And basically, you have your list of macros, which you see I have quite a few of them here, a lot. And for almost every little thing that I perform on my Mac, I try to create some type of macro to do it. Then the other part of it is you have what's called triggers. Those are things that trigger a macro. And then you have the editor in which you assemble macros. So to understand all that, let's put together a real simple one. So what we're going to do is we're going to go add macro, and we're going to type launch things. I already kind of saved it there. It's quick to save time. So launch things there. So things is a to-do application which I use every morning. And so rather than having to manually launch it myself, I can have Keyboard Maestro do it. Now, sure, I could probably have my Mac launch things, but I don't reboot my computer every morning. So Keyboard Maestro, again, can do that for me and saves me time. I don't even have to worry about it. Now, so for every macro you have, you're going to have a trigger. And for triggers, you can trigger things using a hotkey or a string of letters, or keys. You can trigger things by an application. Say when an application opens up, it will trigger a macro. You can do time triggers. You have a macro palette trigger. So there's several different types of ways you can trigger a macro, or you can even use them multiple ways. But we're going to do a time trigger. And basically in this time trigger, we want to have things application launch for every morning at Monday through Friday, and we're going to not have it do it on Saturday and Sunday. All right, so next what we need to do is have an action. That's the third part of Keyboard Maestro. And so you click on this button, action, and you'll see all the actions. It's a couple of hundred of them here. All the actions that Keyboard Maestro can perform. And when you first start using the application, maybe you just want to go through this list and just look at what it can do and say, oh wow, I would love for Keyboard Maestro to do that for me. So what we're going to do is have it open a application, or it can also open up a file or a folder, what have you. So you take the macro and or the action, if you will, and slide it into the editor, or you can double click and have it put there. All right, so now you have that, and what you're going to do is go through and locate the application or file or folder that you wanted to have it launched. And you see I already have things selected, so we'll just add it to that. So there you go. It's already set up. So it's set up to launch things every morning at 8:30 a.m. Monday through Friday. We could also create another macro to have it quit things at a certain time. So let's get rid of this one, and we can go to down. It says quit specific application. All right, and I already have things open on my Mac, so I'll just go down and select it already. And we can have it say quit at I don't know, 8:30 p.m. So again, toward the end of the day or what have you, or we can say 5:30. So at 5:30 we will quit. We will quit things. And so that's really a simple macro that you can do, and you can add several different macros to do several different things. So I can even have it, if I want to, I can have it, I can duplicate this macro, and I can select to have it quit several different applications, let's say at 5:30, right? So I mean, there's really almost anything that you do manually on Keyboard Maestro, you can. I'm sorry, you do manually on your Mac, you can have Keyboard Maestro do it for you. So again, download the full demo version. I think it's $36, and you can Test it out for like 30 days and just play around with it. You really can't mess up your Mac by playing around with Keyboard Maestro. Just play around with it and see how useful it is, and I guarantee you that it's well worth the $36. If you like this type of automation hacks, let me know I'll make use of. Let me know that, and I'll write some few more articles about how to better use Keyboard Maestro. Thanks a lot for watching.